In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a word cloud in PowerPoint with animation using the Morph feature. This is a quick and easy tutorial, ideal for jazzing up your presentations and capturing your audience's attention with dynamic visuals. Let's get started by opening PowerPoint on your computer. Go ahead and fire it up, and once it's open, navigate to your existing PowerPoint presentation or start a new one if you prefer. Once you're ready, head over to the Insert tab at the top of your screen. This tab is where you can find a variety of elements to enhance your slides. Next, click on the text box, which allows you to add text anywhere on your slide. Click anywhere on the slide to place your text box and start typing the words you want to include in your word cloud. Feel free to use as many words as you like and consider varying their length and complexity to give your word cloud some visual richness. To add some flair and make your word cloud stand out, try rotating your text. Simply click on the text box until you see the circular arrow at the top and then drag it to rotate. This step is crucial as it adds interesting angles to your design. Following that, increase your font size to make your words bold and readable. Play around with different sizes to create a varied and dynamic look. Now let's change the font style. Experiment with different fonts to find one that complements the message of your presentation. A fun tip is to mix and match the styles for an eclectic feel. While you're at it, change your font color too. Choose a color that contrasts well with your slide background for better visibility. Once you're satisfied with the appearance, it's time to duplicate your text box, copy and paste it, and then change the text inside. Repeat this process, altering sizes and styles as you go along to build your word cloud's complexity. Remember to ensure that the colors of all your text remain consistent across the slide. This unifies the visual and keeps things looking cohesive. Now select all the text by pressing Ctrl+A. Head over to the Shape Format tab at the top. Here, click on Merge Shapes and choose Union. This action blends all your text boxes into one entity, allowing easier manipulation. Now look to the right for the Format Shape panel. Choose Picture or Texture Fill and click Insert. In the options that appear, select Stock Images. Here you'll find a wide range of images to choose from. Pick one that resonates with your theme or content and click Insert. There you have it. You've just created a stunning word cloud in PowerPoint with animated potential using Morph. Use these skills to enhance your presentations and leave a lasting impression. Happy presenting!